down for taking it slow. Never held me down, you did, then it's all.
Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to the very first vlog of 2023. In the beginning of the vlog, you can see me and Steven are on a walk with his family out in a conservation land. This would have been on Christmas Eve, I believe, and boy oh boy was it windy. Look at all the trees that toppled over from the wind. It was honestly so frightening. For Christmas, we went over to my mom's. This was actually Christmas Eve, and she did a little charcuterie spread, and then we made some homemade pizzas, which were delicious. You guys know I absolutely love my mom's house, and helping her out in the kitchen was so much fun. We had a lot of fun laughs and great times. Luna also got to stay at my mom's house. We slept over, and Christmas morning we did our gift exchange, and after our gift exchange we had some breakfast. The boys had some bacon and eggs, and me and my mom had some vegan yogurt with granola and a bagel and something else. The dinner was so delicious. This was the first course, and it was this focaccia bread with parsnip soup. I forgot to film the rest of the courses that she made. She made me and her a vegan meal with some sausages, and I'll link the recipe down below, and then she made the boys a turkey dinner. And that's pretty much it that I filmed over the holidays, just because I really wanted to spend quality family time with my loved ones, and we did that. So I appreciate you guys for sticking with me till the end and sticking with me for this video, because I really don't have that much context in the beginning. I promise I do get into some interesting stuff later on though, so just stick around. It was really crucial that I took some time off vlogging and some time off content creation so I could get re-inspired with my work again, especially since I have been treating content creation as my full-time job this past year, and it has been paying off because I have been able to monetize off of a lot of it, if not all of it, but I really did need the break just to mentally and physically relax. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been so long since I vlogged. Last vlog that I posted, I actually filmed about 2 weeks ago, and a lot has happened since then. Since then, I've started a new course. I've started a new teacher training program. Christmas happened. It's about to be the new year, and I got a bunch of new skincare. Unfortunately, I already did my skincare routine before I taught classes. After I taught my classes, I had lunch because I didn't have time to have a proper breakfast before classes because I slept in so much. But I'm gonna go do my makeup now. I got a Sephora gift card, so I'm going to be making some purchases later today at Sephora, not in person, because I teach at 4 until 6 today, and I know it's the holidays, but I'm still trying to work over the holidays, get a little bit of extra income while also relaxing. That's another reason I took a break off of YouTube and off of TikTok and Instagram for a while. I haven't been creating content like at all, so it feels very weird to be back in front of the camera and back creating stuff. But I'm gonna go get my makeup. I left it in the other room. So right before Christmas, Steve and I ended up leaving a few days early. We left like 2 or 3 days early before we were supposed to. So we didn't get a lot in the house done before leaving. So I also had to kind of catch up on that yesterday when we had the day off and when I had most of the day off. So yeah, we left for Christmas on Thursday rather than the Saturday because of a giant snowstorm that was supposed to happen. It definitely happened here. It took us like 2 hours to shovel ourselves out of the driveway when we got home. I'll post some pictures of that. It was kind of crazy how much snow our town got. Our parents, who live closer to the city, didn't get as much snow, but it was really fun. We spent quality time with them. Another thing I've been taking a lot of time off of is dancing. So I'm actually gonna go do a ballet class now with my pointe shoes so I can film some content. My lunch is like sitting really heavy right now because it was chilly and I had 2 bowls and 2 naans because I didn't have breakfast and I was so hungry. So I'm definitely not jumping today because I do not feel good to jump. But yeah, another thing I took time off of was dancing. So I'm gonna get back to that today so that by the new year, I'll feel much more myself again. For the new year, I'm really excited to announce I will be doing some more bar fit classes at the studio I teach at, and I'm also going to be certified as a bar fit instructor. So that's really exciting. I'm gonna have to film the exam next week in person in the studio when I have some free time. So that's gonna be actually really fun, and I'll take you guys along with me, and I'll probably end up posting it, but I can't post it to my YouTube channel, unfortunately, and make it live because I will be using copyrighted music. But yeah, that's been something exciting that's been happening, and I really love the course. Doing the course with BarFit Barcelona, and I love it. It is really in depth to anatomy, and I feel like I have a better connection between my body and exercise now. So when I not only teach, I'm thinking of these things, but when I work, I'm like, wow, I'm engaging, you know, the iliopsoas, and this is happening. It's just much more conducive to dancing if you know what's going on and know what's happening. So something I'd recommend to any dancer even, or any person, any fitness instructor that wants to broaden their range to dancers, because the more you know, the better about the body, especially when it comes to fitness. And I had a little bit of a crash course when I did my personal training certification with anatomy and how the biology of the human body works, but this was much more suitable because it talked about the skeletal muscles, it talked about the nervous system, it talked about a lot of things that made a lot of sense to relate to dance. So I'm just gonna do something really light. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Nah, not gonna happen today. I unfortunately froze my makeup, as you guys know, so it was perfect timing that my mom gave me a Sephora gift card for Christmas because I'm in desperate need of makeup, not gonna lie. Not desperate need, but I do like wearing makeup. I took a break from that as well, wearing a lot of makeup, and I miss it now. So sometimes taking a break off of things, even things you love, is necessary, especially when it comes to dance for me. Like now that I've taken more than a week off of dance, I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to get back into it. So that is what I will be doing today. It's almost 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's past 2 o'clock. No, it's almost 2 o'clock. My clock is wrong in this room. It's almost 2 o'clock, which means I only have 2 hours until I teach again. Today went by fast. Today I danced with a student this morning, and we're preparing her for a performance tomorrow. So that's why it took us 3 hours. We were also doing crafts, so I took some extra time with her. That was really, really fun. I unfortunately did not have my craft supplies in time, but that's fine. I've also been coloring. I really like my coloring book, and it's really soothing. That is that. I'm gonna go put my pointe shoes on, get ready, and dance. I have not worn pointe shoes in maybe a month. No, it feels like a month. It's only been maybe 10 days. I haven't worn pointe shoes since the 18th of December. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be rough. Yeah, the last time I wore my pointe shoes was at our snow show at the studio that I work at. And that wasn't even like a full class or anything. So my feet might be sad today, but my soul will be happy, I think. We'll find out soon. Is this even the right foot? It better be. I also want you guys to tell me what I should do in the new year. I think I'm gonna cut down my posting schedule to once a week for vlogs. Now hear me out. And then once a week for other content, whether that's, I don't know, a haul or testing something, or a product review. Just because I've done the 3 times a week thing lately for the whole year, the whole 2 years, and it's been a lot. The Sunday to Tuesday stretch is way too short, so I can't get quality content out to you guys anymore when I only have a day in between. Like I'm just filming and then editing and then posting in one day. So it has to be a workout, but I've done so many workouts and I want to branch out to other things like product reviews and leotard hauls again, and more ballet fitness related things and more vlogs. And I want to do good content and I want to create things for you guys. So comment down below if you think that's a good posting schedule. I can still post a short on Tuesday maybe, or a workout, but I think just trying to post whatever I want for 3 days a week and a vlog every time is just not producing the best quality content, as you guys can see. So I just finished recording some TikToks because that's also something I haven't been able to do. And look, when I take my hair out of the clip, it's so curly. So if you ever want to do a heatless curl, just tie it in a French braid with a claw clip. And I'm gonna go do some studying for my bar fit and probably gonna do a class as well because you also have to do 15 hours of practice for being certified, and I'm gonna get 2 hours done today, hopefully. So I haven't actually opened the 23rd or the 24th because we left on the 22nd. I don't even know if I opened the 22nd, but let's open the 23rd and 24th. So it feels pretty light. Also, I'm about to have a bubble bath, hence the bathrobe. Steven is relaxing on the couch. Woo! I'm totally gonna use this tonight. Guess what I got for the 23rd, Steve? Drops of Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask. Wow, 3 plant stem cells. Cool. Instant hydration. After 50 minutes, skin looks fresher, bouncier, healthier. Well, I was gonna use this tonight, but I wanna use it when I'm going out so that I look amazing and beautiful and gorgeous. So, okay, so let's open the 24th. There's a lot of dog hair on it, don't mind that. I like the little sayings it has on the side too. Spending a little too long on your mobile, why not go offline for the day and spend that time helping your most selfless friends and family? Ooh, it's the Youth Concentrate. Very cool. Stem cells and antioxidants. Let's see what it, 99 ingredients of natural origin. That's really cool. Well, this is something I can definitely use tonight. Oh, look at that. And the glass bottle too. They really outdid themselves this year. And to my surprise, there's a 25th one. I thought advent calendars only went to the 24th, but I guess there's a 25th. And it has one of these things to pop open. Oh, I love when they give me a full size of things. Oh, they gave this one out last year and I really love it. I still have the one from last year. Body butter, it's really moisturizing. 96-hour nourishing moisture. That is awesome. And I love that it's vegan. Very cool. I am going to save this advent calendar so that I can use it for next year and possibly make Steve an advent calendar with other things like chocolates and little mini surprises. So I'm just gonna keep this whole thing. And we have decided, I think, on putting all of the Christmas decor away after New Year's. So this will also go away because I won't need it for another year. Made too many bubbles. It's like overflowing in bubbles. Oh no. Again, my hair looks so good after being in a French twist all day. Like, easy, heatless curling hack. So today I have a performance with one of my students, hence the more professional looking outfit for when I'm teaching. Usually I wear, like, I don't know, my Lulu studio pants and a comfy sweater, but today I was like, no, I'll go full ballerina or former professional ballerina. So I've got this little shawl that I got from a thrift store, this skirt from Yumiko. My pants are from, I think they're from Shein, which I know sucks, but it's from like years ago and I never bought them from there again after one time. And then this leotard, I have no idea, but I always get questions where it's from. It has a really nice low back, but I have no idea where it's from because I got it when I was like 16 in California. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you're well aware of my love for my new bar fit program I've been taking, and the courses have been so helpful, like I mentioned in the beginning of this vlog. But I love how you have to complete 15 hours of self-practice as well, which is really, really helpful because it gives me a better understanding of how classes roll and how they are formatted. It's also been a really nice change of pace from my usual exercise routine because usually I just dance and do some cross training in between, but I've been taking time completely off dancing and this has been my form of exercise over the break. Also, Steve's sister got me this hat for Christmas. She was my Secret Santa, and Steven got me this adorable jacket. I mean, I love it. It's so warm and it has these little sleeve things inside of it and it keeps me extra warm. I got this Lulu bag for myself. Actually, my student gave me a gift card, so I got this from Lulu. And I think that's all the new stuff. It's not even that cold out. Well, I had to do something to my tires because the tire pressure was real low, so I gotta get that fixed sometime soon. So yeah, I'm on the side of the road and I had to do some greasy, dirty work. I walked in, couldn't see her, and then realized she was blending in with the pillow. Hello, little baby. I just finished teaching my last ballet class. Oh, don't fall on me. My last ballet class of 2022, which is insane. I just finished teaching the last class. That makes me a little bit sad, but more excited for the new year. So I'm gonna take my hair out now. I need to shower, wash my hair, everything, because Steve and I are gonna have a little date night, stay-in date night tonight. We both pick a movie for one another and we're gonna watch the movies together, and we're gonna make a nice fancy charcuterie board. Comment down below which is the right pronunciation, but we're gonna make one of those for dinner tonight and also have dinner because that's more of like a little snack. And I also got some things in the mail I thought I would open for you guys because I wanted to show you guys what Blogalati sent me. I think she sent it for Christmas. However, the shipping delays in Canada are astronomical, so I did not receive this package until yesterday, which makes me a little bit sad, but at the same time, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. So without further ado, let's get into that. But before I get into that, I did want to quickly mention I recently watched my video from this time last year, which was goal setting for 2022, and I just wanted to share a clip with y'all. 1,000 subscribers next year, and the reason I chose that number is because I used a tool called Social Blade to actually determine how many realistic subscribers I'll have. Yeah, my original goal was to have 4,000 people on this YouTube channel, and now there's 21,000? That just blows my mind and makes me so incredibly grateful and happy that you guys are here. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for changing my life. Again, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all so much. So I invite you to write down your goals for 2023. I want you to write down one goal that's personal for me. That would be trying to perform in some way, shape, or form. And I think I have an idea of how to do that. But perform on stage, I mean like an actual performance longer than 20 seconds like you guys saw in the last vlog. And then I also want you to write a goal for your professional self. So your personal self and professional self. My professional self, I think my goal would be to be either on the road to being RAD certified or to be able to solely rely on YouTube as a stream of income. That would be really awesome. Although I do have my videos monetized now, it's a very small amount that I get back at the end of the month, like very small. It doesn't even cover groceries, it's that small. To be honest though, I'm grateful. So I'm not complaining in any way, shape or form, and I'm not saying I'm gonna quit dance either. I'm gonna quit teaching, I'm gonna quit my jobs if YouTube would support me financially, because I would just do both like I do right now. I love dance teaching. I could never give that up. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing.
Let your sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
Again, I'm just obsessed with these. These are like my new favorite thing. On that note, guys, thanks for being here with me this year. Thank you for supporting me. I hope you have a happy new year, and I can't wait for 2023 to see what it brings us. And I'll see you guys next time. Probably see you guys in a few days. I love you all so much. Happy New Year. Woo! Bye.